is frightful, but the fire is so delightful. And since we've no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Man, it
snow's coming.
Signs of stopping,
and it doesn't show sign of stopping. We got blizzard warning. We got winter storm warnings. We got coastal flood warnings. There'll be some kind of wind. Well, I'm assuming the wind will be with the blizzard warning. Annoying guy on YouTube with Dean Martin in the background warning. We got it all going on, guys. Big storm, big impacts tomorrow. Expanding it a little more west. Blizzard warnings in effect, Suffolk County, Long Island. I think they might bump that into Nassau County, but it's irrelevant, I'll be honest with you. Doesn't do much with the snowfall. It just has to do with visibility, strongest winds. You have wind gusts. Well, I'll go over all that. But we are expanding precipitation further west. There's some other things I need to go through with the snowfall map itself. But storm's coming. School day. Teachers, you just had a week and a half. Why not give you another day? Friday could be a delay because the storm will end early tomorrow by around dinner time. So they'll have time to clean up. But because it's going to get very cold, things will ice over. Things will take time. I expect delays Friday morning as well for my superintendents on here. Expect delays, problems with that in the morning. But tomorrow's a snow day, shut them down day for the island. The city never shuts down unless it's the blizzard in 96. Sorry about that. Eastern Jersey, more moderate snowfall now, moderate to significant. So cancellations there. Connecticut, game on, baby. It's time to snow. First snowstorm of the year. Let's get into timing first. Breaks out over southern Jersey between 8 and 10. Midnight to 1 over the island. Closer to 2 to 3 over the city. And it takes time to go west. A lot of dry air. And just the overall speed of the storm is very slow. So it's going to take time over downstate New York, central western Jersey. You might not see a flake if you're an early bird special and you're going to work early. If you're going to work. But, you get up at 4 o'clock and you're going to be like, this guy in the YouTube video, he's clueless. It's coming. Not as heavy for you, inland, but it's coming. So prepare for that. You will have a rough commute everywhere throughout the day, throughout the morning. And just, if you can stay at home, stay at home. If you got to go in because your boss is a jerk, post office, stuff like that, that's your job. You got to do what you got to do. I work for the railroad. I'm a conductor. I'm on vacation. Nailed that one. Nailed that sucker. But you got to go to work. You got to go work. Take your time. It is what it is. Safety first, right? Let's go through. It should end. Precipitation should end. Well, let's go through the brunt of the precipitation. The heaviest should be over southern Jersey around sunrise into about noon. About 9 to 1 or 2 over the city and the island. And bump it a few hours as you go north and east into Connecticut. Clears out by about dinner time in the city and the island. A little earlier south of the city, a little later north of the city. And I'll show you the snowfall accumulations as well. And we clear out Friday, cold. Saturday, coldest day of the year. And I'm seeing now, you see them on TV, you're seeing it on the internet, widespread below zero Saturday morning. Very cold stuff. I'm going to switch and show you the snowfall map now. Okay, here's your luxurious quality technology snowfall map forecast. This is an A+ in any 8th grade test any day of the year. Definitely. What we're looking at. And you got this little area. I'm going to right there. Look at that sucker right there. Pretty close. Pretty close to bringing that south and west. I'm going to keep it north and east. I think this puppy is going to blow up a little too late. And guys in New England, they're going to have the big fun. They're going to have the show. But not too bad for a lot of us here, as you see. 6 to 10 inches. Now, how you read this map is it goes from east to west. So the higher amounts, the 10 inches, is going to be confined, the 8 to 10 around eastern Nassau into Long Island. Also, as you go into eastern Connecticut, this area here. Here's your 8 to 10 inch area right here. 6 inches as you go closer to the 3 to 6, 6 to 10 inch line. As you hug that line, that's closer to 6. As you go west, 3, and that's how you're going to read it. On the lesser end as you go west. A couple of jackpot zones I'm a little worried about. You're looking at... I was thinking about adding a 10-inch plus zone from eastern Nassau going northeast into Connecticut, encompassing much of Suffolk and even New Jersey coastline right here. Some models are indicating there could be a banding zone. What banding is, in the overall precipitation field of a storm, there'll be bands and waves of heavier snow. And depending on your atmospheric conditions, wind steering currents and whatnot, you could be in what's called lifting. If there's lifting, you get more dynamic, heavier precipitation, which could sit in an area a little longer than usual. And if there were such a situation, which there could be with this storm, because it's a powerful storm, it could be Jersey shoreline, eastern Nassau to about central Suffolk into Connecticut, in this area here, if I had to draw a line. I'm not going to add it. I'm just saying be mindful. That could be a big winner there, where you could see 10 plus, but not in my forecast, just a possibility. Wind gusts, you're going to be looking at wind gusts. I would say at the coast, east of the city, on the shores, probably 40 to 50 miles an hour. Could be some above 50. Could have some power issues, but not widespread. But the sucker's going to be cold, so if you're out of power, just prepare yourself. Shouldn't be too long. Let the workers do their job. But that's the forecast, guys. Nothing in the near future after this one other than the cold. So hopefully you hear from me soon. All right. Be safe. Have a great day.